Hi, I'm Victoria and I'm going to show you how to make an apple strudel. All you need is some puff pastry, a lemon peeler, some scissors, some oil and an oil brush, some sugar, some breadcrumbs, a knife, an apple cutter, 3 apples, a lemon juicer, some raisins, and some cinnamon, okay? And a cooking bowl with spoon. Now the first thing we do is get our scissors and cut open the puff pastry. The puff pastry is too long, you want to center it. Okay, then we'll get our lemon peeler. Then we're just gonna zest this. Then we're just gonna put this in here. And we're gonna cut this lemon in half. Then we're gonna get 1/2 and put it on the lemon juicer and just juice it. Then we do the same thing for the other half. Then we're gonna pour it in. Then we get our apples. Now, third one. And by the way, you want to throw away the cores. Okay, now we'll cut these in half. 3, 2, 3. And put them in the bowl. Then you will add the ingredients. Okay, then we get our oil and we just put it on. Okay, then we're gonna put our apple mix in it and fill it up to half. Now we're gonna fold in half like this. And take off the paper. Now we're just gonna seal this. And we're just gonna fold these on it. We're gonna just cut a little bit of it. Then cut off the paper. Then put in the oven for 180 degrees for 20 minutes or until golden. Now we'll get our beautiful strudel out of the oven. And now it's time to eat.